Hello, welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson here at Deep River, Connecticut, Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut, and the river's quite low at the moment. There's a lot of mud flats and river grass revealed, sandbars, I suppose, although it seems to be mostly mud flats. Certainly, rocky formations, sort of newly exposed. And so it's put me in mind of this thought of, when what flows recedes or is at a low point, what is revealed, right? And you might say, well, what's revealed is stinky mud flats or slimy rocks. That's fine. And maybe a litter or something is revealed. And that may all be true. But we may also say that what is revealed is this biological diversity. We may say that or see it as the thing that's being revealed is this nurturing um, ecosystem of life, right? This really, really rich sediment uh, is is um, is revealed. So when what flows in us is very low, so we're at a low point, right? So frustrated, argumentative, fearful, worrying, anxious, depressed, what have you, we may say that, okay, what is revealed in me, I'm seeing it as all negative, and perhaps there are problems with what's being revealed. Um, but we may also see it as some positive things, like as nurturing petri dish of an ecosystem, um, this new vistas, this new places to build upon. So I would invite you to practice your form or your practice this week or today in a way that you deplete yourself. Not too much. I'm not wishing anybody ill health or injury, but deplete yourself. Really tire yourself out. Maybe not physically, but maybe in terms of your chi or your concentration, your awareness, your flow, um, and then see what is revealed there, like what is beneath all that, and see what you can find of value in that, and maybe eke out a little bit more practice in that state and place of awareness. So, thank you very much, and get outside and practice, and if you can, practice near the water. Thank you.